reduction compared with 54% in 2000.
So what's the time now?
From
Time is 20 past 2. Just remove the carburetor.
Steve.wright at bbc.co.uk or text 88291. So now today's webcam has been suggested by listener Richard Beckett, who emailed to say, Stephen Ting, why don't you try out this webcam? There's pretty mountains to look at and occasionally a cute old train. It travels by. It's in the Welsh Highland Railway main line area, which runs through Snowdonia in North Wales. So get a ticket and take a look for yourself at our choo-choo cam, live throughout the show, as suggested by Richard Beckett, www.bbc.co.uk/.
Okay, rocker box off. Push rod tubes are alright. Nothing obvious there. Let's go a bit further. 228. Take the head off.
Steve
4
Wright
bolts.
in the
1,
afternoon.
2,
Now playing everywhere.
3, 4. Ready? Nothing terminal there. Settle in. Can you see that? How the squish band's working? Can you see how the pattern on the top of the piston, where it's dirty in the middle and clean around the outside? Means the squish band's working nicely.
From a thing she was
Okay, ready?
the weekend,
Lifting the barrel.
20 people came up to her and said, "Are you the old woman?" No, she's Janie Lee
At
Grace.
least 20 people. I mean, think if I'd have been charging a quid for questions.
If it's broken ring, this is to catch the debris, yeah?
Yes, here we are. Both talking at once.
You're going to be an old woman one day.
Trust me, I'm heading that way fast.
You notice I'm very quiet when they talk. Aren't you the old man?
That's the one, yes.
Do you have a fat coat for me, old woman?
Okay, heads off, barrels off.
Every day for a whole school year.
Okay, the next one you do, if you could get up to the microphone, that'd be lovely. Here's Janie Lee Grace.
You can make up for a deficiency in vitamin A if you eat young dandelions.
Doesn't look anything terribly wrong with that.
I wouldn't do that unless advised by a doctor. Here's Tim Smith.
Rabbits can see behind themselves without turning their head. You can do that, can't you?
Right, yeah, absolutely.
Just down there. Just here.
let me know.